Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make nutritious meat stock for your baby. This foundational food is packed with essential nutrients crucial for their growth and development. We'll focus on selecting the best ingredients to ensure maximum benefits. Using high-quality, organic, grass-fed bones and meat is key to a nutrient-dense stock. Let's get started on creating this wonderful, wholesome addition to your baby's diet. Once you have your quality ingredients, the preparation begins. First, roast your bones at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes to deepen their flavor. Then, place them in a large pot with 1 gallon of filtered water. Don't forget to add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. This helps extract vital minerals from the bones. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer gently for at least 12 hours, or even up to 24 hours, for optimal nutrient extraction. After the long simmer, it's time to strain your rich, homemade stock. Carefully pour the entire contents of your pot through a fine mesh sieve, ensuring all bone fragments and solids are completely removed. This step is crucial for safety and texture. Once strained, allow the stock to cool completely at room temperature. As it cools, you might notice a layer of fat forming on top. You can skim this off if you prefer, though some fat is beneficial for your baby. Now that your stock is ready, proper storage is essential. You can store the cooled stock in airtight containers in the refrigerator for up to 4 days. For longer preservation, freeze individual portions in ice cube trays. These can last for up to 3 months. When introducing to your baby, typically around 6 months of age, start with small amounts. You can serve it plain or mix it with pureed vegetables to add extra nutrients and delicious flavor to their meals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.